Good morning everyone. I am welcoming all the students of class 2. Today we are going to start computer class. You can take out your computer book, chapter 7 in page number 54. In chapter 7 you can see using the Wattpad. So you can see the pictures using the Wattpad. Using the Wattpad. Page number 54. In page number 54 you can see learning objects. Children, will you be able to understand about the text editor, learn about the concept of copy, cut, paste and undo. Learn how to edit the text written by using a computer. So today we are going to learn how to use Wattpad. In Wattpad we can type, we can write letters, okay, we can write essay also. So you can practice at your home also. On which of these things can be written, tick on the correct thing and on the wrong ones also. So you have to tick. For example, we can write on papers and we cannot write on dress. So in a correct thing you have to tick and in a wrong thing you have to cross this, okay. So in next page you can see some word processing programs include Notepad, Wattpad, Microsoft Word, etc. In some computer there is a Wattpad, Notepad, Microsoft Word. So whenever you are going to open some program like Notepad, there is typing, you can type anything, and in Wattpad also you can type, and in Microsoft Word whenever you open this app, open this program, you will find there is a typing processor, okay. Now Wattpad is a computer program which is used to type and save text that short documents like poems, stories, etc. So in Wattpad you can type and you can save the text also. You can write poems, you can write the stories you want. So Wattpad lets us edit our text, that it let us make change to the text, and that's why it is called as word processor. You can change your word, you can change your handwriting, you can change your text through the Wattpad. So that's why it is called a word processor. It is a part of a special Windows folder called the accessories folder. So it is the special part of the window, it is called accessories folder. In accessories folder you can, whenever you go through accessories folder, you can see there is so many features in accessories folder. First you have to follow the step in your book, they have given in your book, you can see your book also. To open Wattpad, follow the following step. So you have, when you want to write poem in your computer or you want to write story in your computer, you have to follow the step. Follow step 1. Click start button. First you have to go on a start button. If you want to draw in a computer, you have to go on a start button. If you want to write something, so you have to click on a start button only, okay. First, whenever you want to write, whenever you want to search anything, you have to open, you have to click start button, okay. Now click on start button. Step 2. Now click all programs. You have to click all programs. And step 3, in the new menu click accessories. You can see this in the new menu accessories. Step 4, click on Wattpad. There you can see on your screen there is a features that you can see this Wattpad. Now you have to select the Wattpad. When you will click this Wattpad, the screen will be appear like this, okay. You can see this. The Wattpad window will open as shown in the following figure. You can see this Wattpad. Whenever you have to start, you have to write anything. First step, what you have to do? First you have to go on a start button, then all programs, and third step accessories, and last you have to click on a Wattpad, okay. So आप लोगों को कभी भी कुछ भी लिखना है, for example आपको पोएम लिखना है, स्टोरीज लिखना है, तो आपको कहाँ जाकर लिखना होगा? कंप्यूटर में क्या होता है, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड Wattpad और Node होता है, Notepad. Okay, so whenever you want to open this program, आपको क्या करना है, आपको स्टार्ट बटन में जाना है, उसके बाद ऑल प्रोग्राम्स एंड थर्ड स्टेप एक्सेसरीज एंड फोर्थ स्टेप Wattpad में. Okay, now this is the features that you can see on your screen when you have done all this in a step wise. आप लोगों ने स्टेप वाइज कर लिया तो आपका स्क्रीन में क्या दिखाई देगा, ये Wattpad. Okay, now this is the features: title bar, menu bar, control buttons, walking area, menu button. So Wattpad button, this is the features that you can see. Now in next page, the dark strip on the top of the Wattpad window is the title bar. So when this is the title bar, the dark strip is called a title bar, you can see in your windows. Okay, now Wattpad, it shows the name of the open file. In a title bar, it shows the name of a open file. Okay, now control buttons. Control buttons are the buttons on the right side of the title bar. Control buttons are in the right side. Okay, you can see control bar. Control bars are in the right side of the title bar. With the help of this button, you can minimize, restore and close. With the help of control buttons, you can close your computer, you can close the programs, you can minimize the program, you can maximize the program. Okay, now menu. What is the menu bar? What is the use of menu bar? The menu bar is just below the title bar. The menu bar is just below the title bar. Menu bar is just below the title bar. Is just below the title bar. This is the menu bar. You can see this. Now it has some menu options such as new, open and save, which allow you to different things than in a Wattpad. So menu bar allows you to open and save, which you allowed to do in a different things in the Wattpad. Okay, the work area in the blanks area, in the center of the Wattpad windows, you can type your message or do most of your work in the drawing window. So you can type anything in a work area, you can write anything like a poem, like a story, you can write anything in a area work. Okay, now cursor. What is cursor line? Cursor means when you click on the work area, a blinking vertical standing line appears there. So this is a blinking line. Whenever you have opened the computer, you have opened Wattpad, so you can see this blinking line. This vertical standing line appears. This is called the cursor. So this is called this sign. इस sign को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? Cursor line. This is the vertical standing cursor. Vertical standing line appears in your screen. Okay, you can see the symbol of cursor. You type will appear where the cursor is on the screen. Whenever you are typing, this line will be appear by your words. Okay, now typing a simple sentence. Now that you have opened Wattpad, let's learn to type something in it. So you have opened the Wattpad. Now how to type? You can see, try to type essay, the easy things such as your name, your father's name, your favorite place and so on. Press the enter key after each word to bring the cursor to the next line. Look at the following example. For example, you want to write your father name, like for example your name Rita, your name is Rita, and your father name Rajat. So whenever you are writing this name, you have to go on the next line. To go on the next line, you have to enter the key. You have to press enter button. Okay, in a keyboard. On a keyboard, you have to click enter button. Then only you can go through next line. Okay. Now this is the features you can see on your book also. In next page, to type a sentence, you must use the space bar key after each word. Also use key for comma and full stop also. So I am writing my name, so this you have to give a gap. So whenever you are giving a gap, you have to click space bar button. There is a space bar button. You have to click on a space bar button on a keyboard. Okay. Now I am writing something, so I have to give a space, right? My name. So there is a space between my and name. So with the help of space bar button, you can give a space. You can give a gap. Okay. Now I am a good girl. I studied in class 2. I love my family. With the help of space bar, you can give a gap in a screen, on a screen. Okay. Note that the space bar key is pressed after every word and the enter key is pressed after every sentence. Note, you have to think that after every word you are writing, you have to click space bar button, and after every word, after every sentence, when you are finished the sentence, you have to go on the next line, you have to click enter button. Okay. Now these are the 2 steps that you have to follow. Now font color, style and size. So this is the sentence that you have written. Now you have to change the name, you have to change the color, or you have to change the writing. You have to go on a font color, style and size. Okay. You can change the color, size and even the style of your text to make it look attractive and beautiful. Step 1. So you have to make beautiful, or you want to make beautiful attractive, so you have to follow the step. For this, first select the text you wish to format by holding down left mouse button and dragging the mouse. So first step, what you have to do, first select the text you have to select the text with the लेफ्ट माउस बटन. आपको लेफ्ट माउस बटन क्लिक करना है, उसके बाद आपको ये पूरा सेलेक्ट करना है. नेक्स्ट यू हैव टू ड्रैग द माउस देयर. ओके. नाउ स्टेप 2, in the font option you can see change the size of your text. You can see size of your text. Now a different font style for your text from the various option. Example, the sky is blue. The sky is blue. There is a option. You can see it is going. It is changed now. With the help of first you have to select them, and then only you can change any size, any color in any size. Okay. Now copy and paste. How you will copy and how you will paste. Okay. Sometimes we are required to type some words rapidly. For this we use copy and paste option. Step 1, sometimes we require to type some words rapidly. For this we have to use, for example, every day I used to write, every day I have to make PowerPoint, right? So what will I do? I will copy this, paste. Okay, I will copy these words. For example, computer. I am teaching computer, so every day I have to make PPT, right? So what will I do? I will copy this, words, and I will drag on the next new line. Okay. Now what you will do? Step 1, move the cursor to the beginning of the word sentence to be copied and select the word and right click. First you have to whenever you have to select this, and you have to go on a right, you have to click right click mouse button. Okay. Now step 2, click on copy option. So you have gone to right click. When you have clicked on right button, what you will do? You have to copy this. Now step 3, move the cursor to the place where you want the word sentence to appear again. So where you want to appear the words, you can copy there. Okay. Step 4, click on paste option. So in next line what you will do? You will go on a right button. First आप लोग क्या करेंगे? राइट बटन का आप लोग क्लिक करेंगे, उसके बाद वहाँ पर ऑप्शन आएगा पेस्ट. सो यू विल पेस्ट देयर. ओके. नाउ कट एंड पेस्ट. Sometimes we want to replace some words from this. We use cut and paste option. It is similar to copy and paste. So it is similar to copy and paste also. Okay. So you can cut the word it is so similar with the copy and paste. Okay, you can practice at your home. Now it is similar, it is same. You can follow the how you will do copy and paste. This is the same function, cut and paste also. Okay, now create, open and save a documents. How you will create and how you will save the documents. So when you click Wattpad button, it will show a pop-up window that contains new open, save and save as option. So whenever you will go on whenever you will click on a Wattpad button, it will appear the save as, new, save. So what you will do, how to create a new document, you will go on a new, when you want to open a new document, you will click on a new. So you have to follow the steps. Step 1, click on the Wattpad button. First you have to click on the Wattpad button. Second step, click on the new button. Second step, you want to open a new option, new button, you have to go on a new. And third step, new documents area appears that gives you blank space. So there will be a blank space. When you want a new documents, there will be a blank space. Okay, now step 4, use the keyboard for typing whatever you want. So first step, what you want, आप लोग को फिर से नया कुछ लिखना है तो आप कहाँ जाएंगे, Wattpad. उसके बाद न्यू बटन का आप लोग क्लिक करेंगे, इट विल अपीयर्स इन योर स्क्रीन एंड देन यू हैव टू राइट एनीथिंग व्हाट यू वांट. ओके, नाउ to save a documents, follow the following step. So you have to follow the step. I have told you in previous class also how to save the documents. Now you can see step 1, click on the window pad button. You have to click on the window pad button. Click on the shape option. You have to, there is a save option also. When you will click on a window pad button, it will appear there saves option. There is so many options. And step 3, save as dialog box will appear here like this. You can see this in your book also. Okay, type the name of your documents in file name box. You have to type your name, what you want to write the name. For example, class 3 computer, class 2 computer, you can write anything. Okay, click on save button, your documents will be saved. When you have finished the name, you have written the name, so you have to click on a save button. Okay, your documents will be saved. Like this, your documents will be saved. So practice at home. To open a documents, now when you have saved the documents, how you will open, how you will search, you can follow the step. Click on the Wattpad button, you have to click on a Wattpad button. Step 2, click on a open button, there will be appear there. A open dialog box will appear there. Open dialog, there is a name, what you have written in your file name, there will be appear there. Select the desired file and click open. So you have to select your name and you can open your file like this. Okay, now how to close Wattpad. You can see this. To close Wattpad, to close the documents, follow the following step. Step 1, click on the Wattpad button. You have to click on the Wattpad button. And step 2, click on the exit. You have to click first, you have to click on a Wattpad button, and last you have to click on a exit button, and your Wattpad will be closed. So first what you have to do, whatever you want to open, you have to go on a Wattpad button. Okay, so we have finished the chapter. You can practice at your home practically. Okay, because school is not opening now. Now we are going to do exercise work. Exercise, tick the correct option. Wattpad is a program for typing. To style your text, go to font option. Working area is the blank space. Press the dash key after each word to bring the cursor to the next line. Space bar, or you can write enter key. Match the following. Blinking vertical line is a cursor line. Restore is control button. Window accessory is Wattpad. So do this in your copy, exercise A and exercise B. Exercise C is your homework and exercise D is also your homework. You can do by yourself because I have told you all the things. You can find in your book also. You can revise the chapter. Okay. So we have finished the chapter 7. Revise the chapter at your home. So for today this much. Thank you. Have a good day.